We are live, everyone. In Mexico, say Mexico, for AAA GUERRERO de Titanes. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And we're about to witness some tag team action right here tonight. AAA GUERRERO de Titanes running this back November 17th. Tonight. This is what it's all about. GUERRERO de Titanes, AAA, Nitro B's first match. First pro wrestling match to make his debut right here tonight. And there's a lot of things that's going on tonight. This match is about to get insane. I hope y'all ready. Here comes his partner. NINO HAMBURGUESA. And the man making his debut, Nitro B, called this man out. He called these two out, accepting the challenge.
Strong reaction from the WWE Universe, and it will only intensify once the bell rings.
Once that bell rings, these two are really about to go at it right now. Oh, that pop. Here he comes. Here comes Nitro B, ready for action here tonight. And you know it's about to get serious. Look at that. King. The crown and the robe mean business. I am dead serious when I mean King's crown and a robe. Uh-oh. But here comes my tag team partner. RJ Tornado. What a match this is gonna be, ladies and gentlemen. I'm excited for this match here tonight, of course. This is all for the marbles right here. AAA GUERRERO de Titanes. As we are now prepared for this awesome tag match. As ULTIMO GUERRERO starts off in Nitro B. And here, finally, here we go. This literally took a long time and I moved there. Oh wow. I mean, he's smart. He tagged in. Oh. That shot. Oh my goodness. Tags back in to Nitro B. Uh-oh. Oh, oh, oh. Look at this. goodness. He's got the arm. Wham! Deliver with that move. Oh! Come on, Nino. Nino can... Over the ropes! He goes. Oh. Good night. Oh my goodness. Come on. And he gets back in the ring. Good night.
That powerbomb was absolutely worthy of both halves of its name.
Tags in. There goes Nino Hamburguesa.
Utilizing a top rope to inflict more punishment.
Look at this. My goodness. Uh-oh. Oh! Clothesline. Cover. The referee. And a 2 count. Punches her. Punches her. You're... No! Wow, what a slam. Nitro has to make the tag. Or he does a... Nope. Nope. Yep, he does. Here comes RJ Tornado. Disastrous kick and a knee strike. RJ Tornado is literally... He's just asking for it. Stomps. Right there. I'm getting damaged. He punched me, by the way. He tabbed me back in. Ultimo Guerrero gets tabbed back in. No way! A suicide dive! We are live here in Mexico City, Mexico. Oh my goodness. Breaking his arm. Ultimo Guerrero. Oh. The referee. At 6. Both men gets back inside the ring. Covers. Looking like his health, by the way.
No intention of staying down. Placed in the corner. Look at this, going right after the left arm. Gonna hurt. Not a whole lot you can do with a bum wing, guys.
Never realized how bad this match would be. RJ Tornado gets tagged right back in. RJ Tornado had a unbelievable performance. Oh. He had an unbelievable performance. Uh-oh. We took on Robbie X at Rep Pro. What? Back in September, suicide dive. And RJ's lost that match. There we go. Oh! Now we know what this means. Off the turnbuckle. Splash! Now this is gonna make it seem like a splash again. Don't tell me. My heart was racing because I thought that was it. As Nino Hamburguesa was posing. A shoulder tackle. His This is the most nervous thing I have ever seen in a match. Nitro be making his professional wrestling debut live here tonight. Ooh, listen. Right here we ran. Next week. Oh! Oh my goodness. No, RJ try again. Or don't. Whatever one you choose. It's okay. Because here comes. Man. These movesets are pretty serious. Right here tonight. Oh. Oh no.
This match grinding him down a little. Partner tags in.
Uh-oh. Back elbow. RJ sets him up. Oh! He's covering him, but Ultimo stops him. Oh no, wait a minute, wait a minute. Bang! Drops him, yes. What are you doing? And now he's just focused on Ultimo.
Look at this brutality. This is how you torture your opponent. Oh my God, this is hard to watch.
Oh. Oh. Oh my God. RJ. He counters. No. We got straight. He got right up, but then got right down. Now here's the cover. I'm very impressed, RJ. Kicked out of that. Body slam. Wait a minute. Split. One. Come on. Come on. Man, this match has been beautiful. Oh, spine buster. Ultimo Guerrero is good. He's got the cover too. Wow, I lost in my debut. RJ can't get the win. Unbelievable. Ultimo Guerrero and NINO HAMBURGUESA just dominated this match. I'm very mad. I don't know what to say, but that'd be it for today's video. If you guys enjoy, smash the like button, turn on notifications. I'm mad. This is the end. This ain't the end of Nitro B and RJ Tornado. Peace out, everyone.